So Camden National is a community bank that's headquartered in Camden, Maine. We're a big part of the community, not only in Mid-Coast Maine, but all of northern New England. We're publicly held, and we've been supporting Mid-Coast Maine since 1875. Data is critical in banking, and if you're going to rely upon spreadsheets and old school SQL databases, you're not going to be able to compete. And I think taking the time and the dollars to invest in a solution that can help you move forward, it's critical. And if you don't start now, you're going to be behind the competition. And it takes some time to get really up to speed, to get a comfortable feel, because it's a change. Banking is very traditional, and this is a change in banking technology. And I think it's important to get that started and to work with a model that's built for the future. As a financial institution, it's critical that we have not only access to our data, but to be able to clean it and utilize it across the organization. It's also important that we can account for it, make sure we have it secured, and that we can audit the data whenever we need to. And we've tried this in a couple of different ways. And then a few years ago, we partnered with Passerelle just to get our business intelligence program up and running, and been a tremendous asset for us, not only from the perspective of choosing technology, but filling in when we need assistance or helping us to implement large data projects. So it's really been a game changer. And then just this past summer, we partnered with them on the Data Rocket model. I think took us to another level. We were really excited about the products that we have. We were one of the first, if not the first, Snowflake customer in Maine, and that was a lot of the work that we did with Passerelle. And then when they came up with the Data Rocket model, it took us to another level of not only streamlining what we do, but how we do it. And we have a relatively small team, being a publicly held organization. We like to run as efficiently as possible, and the Data Rocket was perfect for us. We're able to keep a small team, but still be very efficient, leverage new data sets, and we're just excited about where this takes us in the future. So the key for us is to be able to pull data together in a way that's not only usable for our business intelligence team, but to allow our data stewards and our business analysts to be able to use it as well. So the Data Rocket, the way that it's set up is that it allows us to build the data marts so that people can have access to data that's ready and accessible. And not only does that help us make business decisions, but also helps our customers. If we have the insight to know what they want, when they want it, we're going to produce a better product for them. So we're excited about not only what it does for our internal folks, but more importantly, what it does for our customers. So we're currently working with Passerelle on a digital penetration project. The idea there is, the future of banking is really in the apps and the mobile access, and we want to be able to get better insights so that we make sure that we're providing not only the right products, but getting people timely answers, getting them access to their data. And we have a wealth of data that's accumulated through a number of products, and using the Rocket and the partners from the consulting group that we have, that we've been able to pull it together, and we're really excited. We're about to finish that up within the next couple of weeks, and really that'll give us insights for our digital banking team to do some really cool things coming in 2023. Passerelle has been a partner for us for I think 5 years, and you think about consultants or somebody that's helping you build a program, they're trying to sell you something, but it hasn't been like that for us. It's been a real partnership. We've been able to provide feedback, and we've gotten great responses. I speak regularly with the management team there. Anytime we have a concern, they're quick to take care of it. They help. They understand our business. They help us look at strategy. They partner with us when they're looking at where they're going to take their team in the future. So it's just been a tremendous relationship that we've had, and it's I'm happy to say it's grown, and we've had some difficulties over the past year trying to find the right resources. And Passerelle stepped in and has filled those gaps, and they really know their technology and they're great to work with. So couldn't think of a better partner. And when you look at a technology shop, we have partners that fit every void, and there's really none that are better than Passerelle. We leverage the same stack of products that DataRocket ultimately does for years. When you think about leaders in the business with Snowflake and Talend and Tableau, it's a great product set. What we were missing is the ability to make it reusable and to really streamline the approach. We've talked to Passerelle about DataRocket for a number of years, and as our program matured, we realized there's a reason that they put it together. It's a great architecture, and we move forward with that early this summer. It's made a wealth of difference as we prepare for the future. It allows us to easily build out data marts and allow other folks access to the data. And it's the real keys for us is the ability to standardize the way that you're pulling in data and cleaning it and preparing it. And standardization in this is a big. There's a lot of data, and you're going to have turnover with your team. And if you can standardize the way you're handling it, it's going to make a huge difference for you, especially as you continue to grow. Now, when you start out, you're really trying to get your feet underneath you, and that's what we were doing. Great products, we were getting a feel for how things work, but now we're ready for that next level of maturity, and the Rocket has been a tremendous addition for us. So we've partnered with Passerelle and used some of the really, leading technologies in the business intelligence space. We're a big user of Snowflake and Talend, and we use Tableau, and we've been able to leverage data in a way that we never were able to in the past. And these tools have helped us. So when we look at where are we going in the future, we're going to partner with Passerelle to build out the DataRocket. And what that's going to do for us is create data marts where not only can our data team figure out the next business opportunity, but it also enables our business line partners and their analysts to be able to use curated data, which, curated data sounds really cool, but it's very difficult to get there. And what we're doing now is producing a product that they can leverage without a lot of support from us. And it's allowing our team to be really more data scientists instead of report writers. And that's a big difference, because if you get people that are coming in here with a high degree of talent and have the specialty to work with data, they don't want to write reports. They want to do the analysis. They want to build the complex models. And I think DataRocket's allowed us to do that. It pushes down the basic reporting to the business lines and allows our data engineers to be able to really use the data in a way that moves the business. So we're excited about where this is taking us, and it really provides not only insight for our business, but I think it's a strategic differentiator.